The exterior of a house is like the cover of a bouquet gives the world its very first impression. Paint colors on the outside are more than just decoration. They tell a story of mood, personality, and identity. Every shade carries emotion, from calmness to power, from tradition to bold modernity. Choosing the right colors, choosing the way your home speaks to the world. White is timeless. It reflects light beautifully, making the house glow with purity and freshness. A white painted home feels open, elegant, and welcoming no matter the season. It works like a canvas that allows gardens, windows, and details to shine brighter. Beige tones bring warmth, calm, and familiarity. They radiate comfort and safety, blending naturally with stone and wood details. A beige home exterior whispers the message of togetherness and stability, reminding us of hearth and family. Gray is modernity captured in color. It is subtle yet strong, calm yet decisive. A soft gray exterior feels neutral and sophisticated, adapting to different architectural styles while maintaining an aura of clean confidence. Brown brings the power of the earth onto the walls of a home. It conveys reliability, strength, and natural beauty. A brown painted house feels grounded, as if rooted in the land it stands upon, harmonizing with forests and gardens alike. Black is daring. It makes a home stand apart with an aura of exclusivity and modern luxury. When balanced with glass and natural light, black exteriors feel bold yet graceful, like a statement of timeless confidence. Blue captures freedom, the sky, and the sea. Coastal blue exteriors make a house feel breezy and full of life, reminding us of vacation and relaxation. It brings peace to the heart and serenity to the eyes. Green is the color of nature, of renewal, of peace. A deep green exterior makes the house look alive, as if breathing with the forest around it. It's perfect for those who want to live close to the earth and embrace harmony with the natural world. Terracotta holds warmth and history. Inspired by sunlit villas, it reflects the fire of tradition and passion. It makes a house feel vibrant, welcoming, and full of cultural richness, like an echo of timeless Mediterranean charm. Yellow radiates joy. It brightens the street and lifts the spirit of those who pass by. A yellow painted exterior creates the feeling of optimism and hope, as if every day is kissed by sunshine. Mint green feels refreshing and alive. It is light, playful, and optimistic, painted onto walls. Mint-colored exteriors invite joy while keeping the home soft, approachable, and friendly. Stone gray carries a weight of stability and elegance. It pairs beautifully with metal, glass, and wood, giving the home a contemporary yet grounded appearance. Gray stone exteriors are sleek, confident, and built to endure. Sandstone tones mirror the calmness of deserts and beaches. They bring warmth without overpowering brightness, creating a soft elegance that feels timeless. Sandstone exteriors connect the home with nature's vast, quiet landscapes. Olive green whispers tradition and sophistication. It blends well with gardens, carrying the richness of nature without being too bold. Olive exteriors make a home feel elegant and wise, full of timeless charm. Navy blue is bold yet refined. It represents trust, strength, and calm authority. A navy-painted exterior looks sophisticated, giving the house an aura of depth and quiet confidence. Charcoal gray has intensity without harshness. It is strong, dramatic, and modern. A charcoal exterior turns a home into an urban statement, bold but not overwhelming, commanding respect without needing to shout. Cream is subtle elegance. It adds softness and warmth to a home, balancing the brightness of white with a gentler tone. A cream-painted exterior feels timeless, graceful, and full of comfort. Brick red reminds us of heritage, strength, and tradition. It's a color that feels grounded and enduring, symbolizing permanence. A brick red home exterior gives a sense of belonging, like roots that run deep. Taupe is quiet sophistication. Sitting between gray and beige, it offers balance and refinement. A taupe exterior is versatile, elegant, and calm, appealing to those who love subtlety with depth. Mustard yellow is bold, creative, and full of life. Unlike softer yellows, it has a grounded richness that makes the house stand out with personality and artistic flair, while still radiating warmth. Sky blue is light and hopeful. It makes a house appear uplifting and free, like looking at a wide horizon. A sky blue exterior refreshes the spirit and creates a home that feels calm yet inspiring. Sage green is peaceful and understated. It reflects balance and mindfulness, blending modern design with natural serenity. A sage-painted exterior feels meditative, perfect for those seeking harmony at home. Rustic orange radiates warmth, tradition, and vibrancy. It brings to mind sunsets, autumn, and countryside charm. An orange-painted home feels alive, cheerful, and deeply connected to the earth. Slate blue is sophisticated and soothing. It's cooler than navy yet deeper than sky blue, creating a perfect balance of elegance and calm. A slate blue exterior makes the house feel unique but timeless. Pearl white is not just white, it has depth, shine, and refinement. It turns a home into something elegant and luminous, glowing softly under the sun, radiating quiet luxury. Chocolate brown exudes warmth and richness. It creates a cozy atmosphere, making the home feel like a comforting retreat. A deep brown exterior is earthy, embracing, and strong. Lavender brings a touch of softness and imagination. It feels unique, poetic, and calming. A lavender-painted house stands out in gentle elegance, whispering creativity and charm. Ivory is classic and graceful. Softer than pure white, it creates warmth and comfort while maintaining brightness. An ivory-painted exterior feels refined and enduring, like timeless elegance made visible. Teal blends the depth of blue with the richness of green, creating a striking yet sophisticated look. A teal-painted home exterior feels bold, modern, and artistic, a color for those unafraid to be different. Silver gray glimmers with modern minimalism. It reflects light and brings a sleek, futuristic look. A silver gray exterior feels sharp, clean, and progressive, perfect for contemporary architecture.